another quick update. Thing's still not charged. Damn it. So let me find that cable. We're gonna have to put a plug on this tire and take it to my buddy Nick's. I gotta put air on this tire, take it to my buddy Nick's. He's gonna put a plug until I can take this bike, or I can go get the new tire in to get it installed, because that's the only way. Otherwise, bike's gonna sit on the rim. And may not know a lot about bikes, but I know that's not good on the cars. So, oh, charger fell. So let's go put air with my little portable compressor. Gotta plug it into my Mac. Gotta plug it into my Mac control charger, so I can. Do I have a plug here? Yes, I do. So I can put air on this tire. Doesn't work, so I have to get the other charger. Oh boy, it's fun. I have to get that 2-in-1. Tire doesn't make any much noise anymore. I'm assuming that it's almost flat on air. So let's put air on it again. There it is, putting air on it, 11 PSI. So, hold up. There we go, we got it on bike mode now. 42. Oh, we're gonna put it more, 42. Put some air on this thing and try to ride it to Nick's fast. He's like maybe 5 miles up the street, so shouldn't take that long. And we're gonna see to get this thing back on the road. So we made it to Nick's. We're gonna put that plug in. It didn't lose as much air as I thought it would. I was like speeding on that. Huh?
Means the hole's not that big.
No, it was like a little tiny one.
See, I broke my handle off the boat.
This one? No way.
Got the vice grip.
Oh, yeah. Shit.
I went to take the boat off the truck and we last took it out.
Is this the one I let you borrow?
Yeah.
I was wondering, I was like, where's the one on the jet skis? I was like, what the fuck did I was about to blame Ricky for it. Do I have to hit the brake?
You just roll backwards.
It's not going?
Hold the front brake.
Hold it?
I just don't have enough ass.
He said, I just don't have enough. I know it's like in one of these canals. Not that one. It had the little, the tree don't like us. Shit.
I got you, gang.
Oh, it's right here. We're gonna repair this thing. Get in there, Nick, with a little this.
There she is.
Yeah, that was the one that I saw the little nail, and then I pulled it. I was like, should I pull it out? Should I leave it in there?
Right.
But I was like, fuck it. I gotta see how that thing is. That's where I'm not 100% sure, cause like when I took it out and then like had the bike sitting in the garage and I could hear it, I was like, maybe I did it here. But then I was like, no, cause the nail was in there, so it was like kind of making it quiet. So I was like, this thing had to like lose air. It was too quick for it to lose air, you know what I mean, with the nail on. Huh? No, but I feel like the only place that I possibly could have picked it up was at my uncle's gravel driveway. You know, because I had to like drive it down there because that's where I unloaded it. It's taking a little time, but we're gonna get this thing back on the road quick. The marihuana, yo, qué huevones tiene ese chico.
Mama whip. I was gonna give myself something to push against.
Oh yeah. Oh goddamn.
Yeah.
Goddamn, boy. Got a plug in there.
Not ideal.
Not
It'll get you from point A to point B.
until we get the new tire in. We're gonna have to make a road trip to where I bought the bike from, see if they have one in stock.
But to be fair, my Z has had a plug in it since about the second week I got it.
Damn, for real?
And I've been driving it for 2 years.
Oh, you've been doing wheelies too.
Yeah.
I'm at 6.
It's 6.
Yeah. See, it died.
What did we get
At
to?
30.
30?
Yeah.
That's more than enough.
Do we have a leak?
No leak. Oh, slight leak. Maybe. Maybe it was a fluke.
I think that's the bottle.
That was a fluke. That was a bottle.
He said that was a leak.
It'd be bubbling up if it was.
Yeah. He's got that crisp. Yeah, it's the bottle.
Yeah.
He's got that crisp fix soapy water.
That's right. Good to go.
All right, let's get this hoe down and go.
Just like that.
Go to the festival. I'm back with the bike. We were able to put the plug in there, as you guys can see in the video. The plug's right there. Right there. A little nipple. Oh, wait a minute. That is not the, oh my God. That is not the, wait, yeah it is. Yeah, it is. I was gonna say that is not the plug, but that is the plug. See the plug? It's right there. Right there, boy. Oh, I'm looking up the wrong way. Right there, that boy. There's the plug. Bike's back home, back at the garage, next to the Corvette. So now, what I have to do is get ready, go to work, because it's been a long day. Original plan was to go to the gym on the bike, enjoy it, put a few miles on it. That did not happen. Apparently I picked up a nail yesterday and we lost air overnight, which I didn't realize until I pulled it out, started heading out. Which, pro tip, always check your tires before you leave. Luckily, I was still in the neighborhood. Like I literally was just getting up my driveway, and then I felt the tire was like low on air. So I turned back. I stopped, got out, checked it. I was like, this tire's wrong, or this tire's bad, and pulled it right back into the garage, put air on it, discovered a nail. Here's the nail again. That's me when I pulled it out. Like I still had like maybe 1/8 of an inch to pull out of it. I just saw the head. I was like, oh, it's a little nail. And then I pulled that thing. I was like, whoo, boy, that was a long one. That's what she said. So yeah, bike's in the garage now. We got the plug. We're gonna wait for the dealership to open on Monday, or I'll just probably order online, drive with that for a little bit, even though I don't want to risk it. But oh, thank goodness. I thought I had lost the cap. I just looked at oh my God, at the valve stem on this thing. And I was like, I might have lost the where's it at? Hold up, right there. I was like, I might have lost the cap. And I was like, I'm about to ride without a cap and I'm gonna be so freaking mad. But luckily it was still in my pocket. So, oh, wait, where does the screw? Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Still some, not all of it covered. That is it. That's it for this crazy day video. Crazy first day with the bike. First thing we have to do already, it's not do performance. It's gonna be buying it a new tire. I might go ahead and order the 2, so that way I can just have an extra one. Maybe not, don't know. Maybe. Anyway, that's it for this video, or this completes the whole video. And y'all can say goodbye to the toys, because we got a whole lot more content to make with these 2 in the truck, so stay tuned. I feel like the truck's not getting any love, but it's out there. Sadly, it don't fit in here. Even if I wanted to, it does not fit. Too tall. Got that thing right there, and the entrance is really low, so yeah, let's not do with that. So all right, see y'all in the next video, guys. And hold up. One more thing. Look at that. All right, we're done. Goodbye.